Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. We have yet another reaction video. Going to be checking out Jefferson Airplane. They are singing White Rabbit. Without further ado, let's check this out real quick. Oh.
And one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits,
Whoa. Wow. This entire song is just so constantly rising. Her voice is so strong. It was just building the tension the entire time. This is a classic gem. It's so perfect. In 1,000 years, this song will still be one of the greatest songs ever made. I cannot get over the feelings this song gave me. You just have to love this era. The songs, the clothing, the psychedelic colors, everything about that era, and this song is so amazing. These guys were way ahead of their time. The lady's voice is so wonderful. The power in her voice is just so astounding. No auto-tune used here, just pure talent. This lady owns the stage without using anything, just her vocal cords. My goodness. This is one of the few songs that starts low and slow and then builds to a dynamite finish. What a brilliant masterpiece. She has the most mesmerizing, hypnotic voice I've ever listened. Is it me or she was just staring into my soul? The only thing wrong with this song is too short. This is an absolute masterpiece. If this is your first time here, do it to click on the subscribe button before stepping out. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Bye.